Kelly. How are you? Welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for clicking on today's video. If we haven't met before, I'm Kelly. I'm the frugal fun mum here in Adelaide, Australia, and I want to welcome you to the channel and all the many videos that we have. You can check them out, entertain yourself, laugh at me, it's fine. I'm here for you guys. So today's video, we are in week 3 of Shelftember. So this is a bit of a check-in, what we've had for dinner and a few other things that I've done through the week. So enjoy. Hey everyone, how are you? It's Sunday night. I'm dressed. It's just freezing, so I've got a dressing gown on. Just working out what to have for dinner. Was going to have risotto because I have this little bit of wine. I think I'll save that for another night. Alright, oops. Looks like we're doing pizzas, and I think we'll do garlic bread as well. There's 8, it's half packet left here, so 8, so 4 pieces tonight, and then there's some left for, shh, I'm speaking, another meal, because I just bought pineapple in the food shop, so I'll get that done. And I also going to use the puff pastry and make some apple turnovers and an apple dessert, because we have some apples there too, so I'll get all that started. Yes, I'm not going to show you pizza making because you've seen it 28 times already, so probably see you next time. Okay, so I found in the fridge 3 green apples and this bag of pink ladies, which would have got last week at the food shopping. So I'll chop these up for an apple crumble and I'll make some apple turnovers for my son. Hey guys, so it's Monday the 13th of September. I actually do know that for once. So we're having a stew for dinner. I have that there, and we're going to have I have these Thai green curry, speak English, veggies, but I think I'm going to pick out all the little green bits because we cooked that like this last time. It was terrible. And half a packet of this sweet potato chips, so I'm going to get that started. And that's about all I have to say. It's not super exciting, I tell you. Right. Oh, I nearly put myself on fire. It's always a good start. Oh good, the dishwasher's finished in time, so I'm going to do a grocery haul video in a minute. So I'll put this on. I also have to take out the rubbish. I just moved it to there. Ooh. Grateful I pre-cut up all my meat. It's going to be easier to cook with. Alright, so I think there's nothing else exciting here, so in a second, by the power of television, you will see the finished result. how are you? So it's Tuesday. What's for dinner? We're having leftover stew because I clearly made too much, so I didn't realize I made that much, so that's good. Leftovers for that. And I'm gonna put on a side of this potato bake, so because I bought it for like 50 cents and I've only got 8 packets. So yeah, got the potatoes. And Scott will probably just have chicken nuggets and chips again. That's about it. I'm gonna take some meatballs out of the freezer so they can defrost for tomorrow night. Planning on having that with some spaghetti and then the leftover garlic bread, and then that's another thing out of the freezer. So I'll see you then. Hey guys, how are you? It's Wednesday night and what's for dinner? So we're having meatballs. I went to open it and thought I better show you guys. So, and with some spaghetti, and this is my last one. I'm just gonna cook the whole lot. If there's extra, it's extra. And a jar of sauce. This is the second to last. So we are using up bits in the cupboard. And so that was as promised. What's not as promised is the garlic bread that my family decided they'd have for dinner last night while I was at Zumba. So, hey, at least they've gotten on board with Shelftember, just a bit backwards. The oven was on for Scott's dinner, so they figured they'd cook that because they knew it needed to be used. So, yes, but at least I know now, do not save me garlic bread if I'm not getting home because it was really dry and hard. So I would rather someone else to enjoy it than save it for me. So next time, if I'm not here to eat the garlic bread, I'll just tell other people to eat it. I do have some white bread that I could toast, so I might see if I make a garlic bread out of that because that uses that up. But yes, right, let's get cooking. Welcome to dessert Shelftember style. I had started to make a cheesecake base when I was making those cheesecake cups, and this didn't quite turn out how I expected it to. It's quite thick, which yeah, it's fine. And I just thought I'd whiz up a cheese cake top with some Oreos and not put gelatin in it, so then it'd pretty much be ready to eat. First thing, you need to drop the packet of Oreos on the floor. Just helps shake any calories out. Alright, we'll come back. I'll whiz this up. Alright, take out the big pieces and eat them. Alright, I'm going to give it one more burst of that. Alright, it's pretty good. I'll tip this out. And make sure you pour half on the bench. And accurately measure about half a cup of cream. forgot to add in some sugar, so again, accurately measured. And it looks like we need some more cream. Give it a bit of a mix around. So it's probably, it's a pretty good consistency. It's not too sweet. I think if I add any more cream, it's going to be runnier and then it's not going to set. You're going to spend ages trying to clean that off, so let's put that to the side. I'm going to add about half of the rose. I'm just gonna plonk it and remove that bowl. Can you see? Just gonna plonk it in here. And if you want to decorate it some more, and that's it. You can go into the fridge for like half an hour, or you can eat it. I'll probably put it in the fridge for about half an hour. There you go. Hey guys, it's Fridays. What's for dinner? We're going to have these chicken drumsticks. I'm going to cook them in the oven. Three, so two, Kira, Jeremy and me. Scott's going to have some arancini balls and some chips. We're going to have mashed potato and veggie. And that's about as far as I've thought. So, yes. See you soon. So you guys might have remembered a couple of videos ago in the markdown hauls, I got some cream and I said I wanted to make some butter, so I thought why not use it now because the best before date was coming up. And I usually use it in my KitchenAid, but everyone was saying they use it in a food processor, so I thought I'd give it a go. After a couple of minutes of whipping, it moved pretty quickly to be, yeah, sort of like the yellow butter consistency, so I thought that was really good. And I just thought I'd kind of whip it up a little bit better. I couldn't see a whole lot of the buttermilk coming out, so I was quite confused, I think. It's probably the best word to say. But anyway, I kept whipping it up a little bit. Then I decided to see if maybe I could squeeze some of the buttermilk out of it. I know that people say put it in a tea towel, but I didn't have anything like that clean, so I thought I'll just keep going. So I whizzed it up a little bit more, and as you can see, it's actually like a whipped butter consistency now. And I just kind of went, you know what, that's it. So I'm going to put it in the container and put it in the fridge and see if it will harden up. It has hardened up, and so I'm going to use it in another recipe type thing coming up. So stay tuned and I'll let you know how it turned out. Yeah, I've made butter before with a like liquid cream, but this already being a super thick consistency, it took a sort of a different way to come. So yes, it was a good experiment, why not? And yeah, I'll let you know what I think of it. Well, there you go, guys. That was week 3 and all the meals that we've had and all the bits and pieces that I've done through the week. I don't always go, hi, it's Thursday, this is what we're eating, because usually by the time I get into the kitchen, it's just time to cook. And there's people coming and going and it's noisy, so I just cook it, and at least you get to see the end result, and I can talk over the top if I need or whatever. So either way, I think we're doing all right. I kind of looked at the date and went, oh, I kind of look at part of our freezer and go, I don't feel like we've done anything. I know we're getting there. I know I haven't bought any meat except for the chicken patty things from the Woolworths haul, but that's about it. But yeah, we're getting there, but oh, I just don't think Shelftember's for me. I've hit that point too with a few things, and I'm starting to panic that we're getting down a little bit low, because I know what it's like to run out of stuff. So we shall see. We shall see. And also, I'm really trying to cut back on shopping at Coles so my spend offer can come down, because it's gone up to like $90. So I'm trying to avoid that right now. And of course, the Woolworths Bricks promo is going, so it's kind of like, oh, that got me a little bit. I've nearly finished that though, however, so that's pretty good, but still, yes, all those fun things. Thank you so much for watching today's video. Please give it a thumbs up and leave me a comment below. Let me know how you're going, where you're watching from, if you're doing Shelftember, how you're going. Are you grateful that you're not doing it? I just, oh, running out of energy, I'm sure of it. So send me all your comments and your thumbs up, and that will boost me up. And please consider subscribing to the channel if you haven't already, because we would love to have you as part of our family here and join the journey that is our crazy life. So without further ado, I will say goodbye, and as always, I look forward to seeing you next time. Bye!